The first question says, events A and B are mutually exclusive. Probability of A is 0.5. The probability of B is 0.4. Find the probability of A union B. So if we draw the Venn diagram for this, if A and B are mutually exclusive, that means they have nothing in common. Which means to find the probability of A union B, what we will do is that we will add the probability of A to the probability of B, and that's going to be your answer. And the next one, it says, write in the form A root of B, where A and B are integers to be found. So this is the case of rationalizing a surd, surd being the root. So whenever we're rationalizing the surd, what we do is whatever is the surd in the denominator, we multiply that with both the numerator and the denominator. So in this case, since the denominator is root 6, we're going to multiply root 6 with both 24 and root 6. That's going to give us 24 root 6 over square of root 6. Why square? Because we're multiplying root 6 to itself. So 24 root 6 over, now square of a root is not square of a root, basically square of a square root is basically the number that is inside the root. So when we take the square of square root 6, what we get is 6. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. So 4 root 6 is your answer. And the next question says, prove algebraically that the sum of the square of any two odd numbers is always even. So let's assume that the first number is 2a plus 1 whole square. So that's going to be 2a squared plus 2 times 2a times 1 plus 1 squared, which is basically 4a squared plus 4a plus 1. Now let's assume that the other odd number is going to be 2b plus 3 squared. So that's going to be 2b squared plus 2 times 2b times 3 plus 3 squared, which is going to be 4b squared plus 12b plus 9. Now we have to prove that the sum of the squares of any two odd numbers is always even, which means we're going to add 2a plus 1 whole squared to 2b plus 3 whole squared, which is basically 4a squared plus 4a plus 1 plus 4b squared plus 12b plus 9. So 4a squared plus 4b squared plus 4a plus 12b plus 10, because the constants are the only like terms that we have which we can collect. So as you can see, all of the terms are even numbers. And if we take 2 common from them, 2a squared plus 2b squared plus 2a plus 6b plus 5. The fact that 2 is common among all of these terms shows that this is an even number. So that shows that this stands correct. The sum of two squares of any two odd numbers is always even. The next question says, work out the rate at which the pulse is increasing at 4 minutes, including units. So we have this graph. And since it's not a straight line, we have a curve. So what we'll do is first we will go towards the graph from the time of 4 and then find the corresponding pulse. Now to find the rate, what we will do is we will draw a line at t equals to 4. Now what we do is we find the gradient of this line. So first point we can pick is this one, which is going to be 4 and 106. And second point, let's pick this one, which will be 5 and 120. So to find the rate, we'll do 120 minus 106 over 5 minus 4, which is going to be 14 beats per minute square. Then it says work out the rate at which the pulse is decreasing at 7 minutes. Draw a line from 7 minutes. So we can pick this point, which is 8 and 100. And we can pick this point, and we can pick this point, 7 and 100. Seven and 106. So we do 106 minus 100 over 7 minus 8, which is going to be negative beats per minute square.